Calamansi, scientifically known as Citrus microcarpa, is widely grown in citrus fruit in the Philippines. It is commonly called calamansi or Philippine lime and is valued for its sour juice used in cooking beverages and condiments. I choose calamansi because it is easy to grow, economically important, and well suited for asexual propagation. It is also commonly available, making it ideal for demonstration. Material use. The first is sharp knife for removing bark. The second is plastic warp to hold the rooting medium. The third is moist soil, rooting medium, and the fourth and last, string or tie to secure the warp. Discussion of the propagation method. Marcoting, also known as layering, is a method where roots are induced to grow on a stem while it is still attached to the parent plant. State in bold conceptually. Number 1, removing a ring bark. Number 2, applying moist medium. Number 3, warping to retain moisture. This method is suitable for calamansi because it roots relatively easily and ensure the new plant has the same characteristic as the plant. Advantage. Number 1, produce true type plant. Number 2, faster fruiting compared to seeds. Number 3, high success rate. The limitation. Number 1, limited number of plants per tree, requires carefully monitoring of moisture, labor intensive compared to seeds. The first step, select a healthy branch. The second, remove a ring of bark. Scrape the exposed area to remove cambium. First step is applying moist soil around the exposed part. The lastly is warp with plastic securely and tie both ends. Personal experience and lesson learned. During the activity, I learned the proper moisture control is very important in marketing. One challenge I encountered was keeping the medium consistently moist, which is addressed by checking it regularly. I also developed skill in careful cutting and handling of plant materials. This activity helped me better understood how asexual propagation works and why it is useful in crop production. Relevance to agribusiness studies. This activity is important. It shows how farmers can produce uniform, high quality planting materials. The skill learned can be applied in a real world farming and nursery operation.